Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for Chapter 17. Be sure to put your name, class period, and your class period at the top of the page. I guess Mr. Tag will put the grade there, won't he? Okay. Here is your word bank. A, border state. B, enlist. C, tributary. D, ironclad. E, casualty. F, Emancipation Proclamation. G, habeas corpus. H, draft. I, bounty. J, greenback. K, entrench. L, flank. M, resistance. N, total war. And O, encounter. Number 1. This word means to refuse to give in, or to kind of, you sometimes do this with teachers when you don't want to do the work, or try to talk them out of it, I guess. Number 2. To formally join the military force. Number 3. This is a strategy of bringing war to the entire society, not just the military. Number 4. This is a court order that requires police to bring a prisoner to court and to explain why they're holding the person. This word, literally translated, means to bring the body, or, bring the person. Okay. Number 5. This word means to meet or come face to face with. It can mean like to come across somebody on the street or at a party. Number 6. The side or the edge of a military formation. Number 7. This is a warship equipped with iron plating for protection. Number 8. This was a decree issued by President Abraham Lincoln freeing the slaves in those parts of the Confederacy that were still in rebellion on January 1st, 1863. So this was his statement of freeing the slaves. Number 9. This is a state between the North and the South that was divided over whether to remain in the Union or join the Confederacy. Some of these states were Delaware, Maryland, Kentucky, and Missouri. Number 10. This is a system of selecting people for a required military service. Number 11. This is paper money that was issued by the United States government. The name for it. Number 12. This is a stream or smaller river that feeds into a large river. Number 13. This is a soldier who was killed, wounded, captured, or missing in battle. Number 14. This is a reward or a payment. Number 15. This word means to place within a trench or a ditch for defense, or to place in a strong defensive position.